Morning, Alex. Thanks for
Morning, sir.
joining us today. I'm Kevin, and I'll be conducting your interview today. And let's get started. Alex,
Yes,
can
sir.
you tell us a bit about yourself and your background in front end development?
Yes, sir. Of course. I am graduating with a degree computer science from Unirio Universitas, and I have been working as front-end developer. For the past 3 years, I have experience with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and framework like React and Angular.
Yeah. Why are you interested in this position at our company, Alex?
I am really interested in the innovation project your company is working on, and I'm thinking my skill experience will be a great fit your team.
Yeah. Uh, can you describe a challenging project you have been work on, and how do you handle it?
Sure. I'm worked on the project where we need to redesign an e-commerce website, improve user experience. The challenge was to keep my site running smoothly when implementing the change. I handle in the by thoroughly plan, planning and redesign, testing in stage and communication closely with the team.
Okay. Um, okay, like how do you stay update with the latest trend and technologies in front end development?
I'm regularly read the blogs, follow industry leader on social media, and participate in online courses and webinar, and also contribute to open source project to keep my skills sharp.
Yeah. Can you give an uh, example of a website or application you have developed, and what the technology did you use for it?
Yes, uh, I am develop a portfolio website for a freelance graphic design. I'm use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap for, for responsiveness.
Okay. Yeah. Um, how do you ensure that code is maintainable and scalable?
Maybe I follow best practice like awaiting clear modular code, using comments and documentation, and conducting code reviews with my peers.
Um, how do you handle the tight deadline and multiple project add-ons?
Uh, I'm priority tasks, break them down in mixable parts, and set clean deadline for each part. Effective communication with team and also help other lot.
Okay, that's good move, I think. Next question. How do you approach debugging and fixing your bugs in your program?
Oh, yeah. I'm systematically go to the code, use debugging tools, and check the browser console for errors. And also, I read unit tests to catch bugs early and ensure the code is working as expected.
Okay, and this is the last question. Okay, okay, Alex. What do you consider the most important aspect of user interface design?
Yes, sir. I believe usability and user experience are the most important aspects. The design should be intuitive, responsive, and accessible, accessible to all users.
Okay, that's all. Thank you, Alex. We are
Thank you
running
very
out of
much, sir.
time, and we'll get back to you soon.
Thank you for the opportunity. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Good morning, Julie. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Kevin, and I'll be conducting your interview for today. And let's get started. And the first question is, can you tell us a bit about yourself and your background in front end development?
Certainly, I have a degree in software engineering from University of Respati Yogyakarta and have been working as a front-end developer for over 4 years. I specialize in React and Vue.js and have a solid foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Yeah. Okay. Why are you interested in this position at our company, Julie?
I admire the innovative and user-centric approach your company takes in developing projects. I believe my skill and expertise align well with the goals of your team, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute.
How do you stay updated with the latest trend and technologies in front end development?
I follow several industry blogs, participate in developer communities, and attend conferences and workshops. I also take online courses to learn new frameworks and tools.
Yeah. Okay. I understand about it. Can you describe a challenging project you have been work on and how you handle it?
One challenging project was developing a complex dashboard for a data analysis company. The challenge was integrating multiple AIs and ensure real-time data updates. I tackle this by truly understanding the APIs using Avis data management techniques quiz and regularly testing for performance and accuracy.
Can you give me an example of a website or application you have been developed and what the technology did you use?
I recently developed an interactive learning platform for an educational startup. The project utilized React for the front end, Node.js for the backend, and MongoDB for the database.
And how do you handle that tight deadline and multiple project add-ons?
I use project management tools to organize tasks and set priorities. Effective time management and regular communication with stakeholders ensure that I meet deadlines without compromising on quality.
Yeah. Mm, how do you approach debugging and fixing bugs in your code?
I systematically analyze the code, use debugging tools, and kick logs to identify issues. I also write tests to catch bugs early and ensure that bugs do not introduce new problems.
Yeah. Okay. This is the last question. And what do you consider the most important aspect of user interface design?
The most important aspect in creating an intuitive and engaging user experience. The interface should be easy to navigate, fiercely appealing, and accessible to all users.
Okay. That's all. And thank you, Julie. We appreciate your time and your response, and we will be in touch with you soon.
Thank you for considering my application. Have a great day. Bye
Okay.
bye.